Hi, it's Kathy Skinner. I'm here to share with you my little shot that I do. It's in a shot glass, so it helps me with all that seasonal stuff. But for me, I don't have to have the seasons change. I don't have to have the flowers blooming and spreading their seeds, or pollen in the air, or grass. All I need is the barometric pressure to change, and it just wreaks havoc on me. So I have found something that works better for me than any over-the-counter or prescription medication that I've ever tried. And it is just simply 2 drops each of these oils. So it's going to be 2 drops of lemon, and then 2 drops of lavender. 1, 2, get in there. And then 2 drops of the peppermint. Come on. Taking its time this morning. But then what do I do with it? Well, I don't take it just straight, no. I add a little bit. I have filtered water from my sink. And so I put, just you can see, not a whole lot of water, but some water in there to swish it around. And then I'm going to swish it around in my mouth. And then swallow it. I can already feel it working. It's already clearing up. And then I'll add a little bit more water, just because I want to get all the residue of the oil. Don't, waste not, want not. It's so good. And this usually lasts me the whole day. Now, when we had an issue with a lot of fires and smoke one summer, I had to take it several times during the day. Just to help me with the breathing and the sinuses and all that kind of stuff that was wreaking havoc. And it's okay. It was fine. And the other thing is if I notice that, maybe I took it in the morning, but I'm getting a little bit more, feeling that stuffy feeling in the evening, I found that when I take it before I go to bed, it keeps me from snoring, according to my husband. So, hope this little tidbit of what I do to help myself stay healthy in a natural way helps you.